It was a beautiful day out in the country of Mayberry Hill. It was a farmer's market, and everyone was out buying fruits and vegetables and flowers, especially the flowers. Inside the flower pot were lovely zinnias waving in the wind. One particular lovely one was named Zella. Zella really wanted someone to buy her. She wanted to be loved. Oh, I can't wait until somebody buys me. I'm so excited. Listen, kid, no one's gonna buy a yellow zinnia. Everybody likes purple. Anyone who knows anything about flowers knows everybody likes purple. Well, I still want to be bought. I want somebody to love me. Yellow is very cheerful, you know. And soon a customer came by. Excuse me, miss, and how much are your lovely zinnia flowers? Oh, they're $1 each, miss. I would like to buy 2 purple ones, please. Of course, madame. I will get them for you. And so the young girl picked the 2 purple flowers out of the pot. And here you go, miss. Thank you very much. Oh boy, 2 purple flowers are gone. Well, it's okay. There will be more customers. I cannot wait till somebody selects me. Well, I hate to bring you bad news, little one, but yellow isn't very popular. They'll probably pick the pink ones next. No offense, but you might as well just stay behind me. Poor Zella. She was starting to really feel sad. And there were more customers. Hi there. I would like to buy some zinnias. It's my grandma's birthday. Could I buy some zinnias? Oh, why certainly. Which color would you like? Let me look. Probably the pink ones, if that's okay. And how much are they? Oh, they're $1 each. Okay, that would be great. And so the young girl picked the 2 pink zinnias for her customer. Goodbye, Zella. Sorry. I hope somebody buys you. Goodbye. Well, I told you yellow wasn't very popular. Well, I still hope somebody buys me. There's only 3 of us left. We need to cheer each other on and encourage each other. Oh, all right. Well, it looks like some more customers are coming.
Excuse me, miss. It's my anniversary today, and I'm looking for some orange zinnias. Do you have any for sale?
I have 2 left, sir. Would you like them?
I would love them. Could you fish them out for me, please?
Why, certainly. And so the 2 orange zinnias were being selected. Don't worry, Zella. Someone will pick you. You're a very nice zinnia. Thank you for being my friend. Oh, you're welcome. I will miss you. I will miss you too, Zella. And so they were selected. Goodbye, Zella. Goodbye, Zella, and don't you worry. And poor little Zella was left all alone. Things were starting to slow down at the farmer's market when along came a little boy asking about the flowers. "Excuse me, miss, do you have any flowers left for the day?" "I have one. It's a yellow zinnia flower." "Oh, great. That's my mother's favorite color. Could you fish that out for me, please?" "Why, certainly." Zella was so excited she was shaking. "I'm so excited somebody loves me. I knew someone special would come and get me." And Zella celebrated as she was lifted out of the pot.
Hi guys! So today, our letter's letter Z, but we say Z as in zipper and zebra.
"Oh, hello there. It's Ellie. How are you today?" "Okay, I hope you're doing well. Today, our letter is the letter Z, which says Z for zinnia. Zinnia is a beautiful flower. Here's a yellow zinnia from our story. Remember Zella the Zenia? Oh yeah, she's a very nice flower. Okay, so we're going to practice writing a Z today. So we'll get a marker from my assistant. Okay, we're going to start right there if you want to put a cherry or dot. Okay, good. Now we're going to go toward the honey line. Let's just put Zella the Zenia there. She's yellow. Okay, here we go. We're going to go toward the honey line. Now go down a slide. And then over toward the honey line. And there it is. There's our Z. Okay, now we're going to get our cover letter sheet. And remember, they're in plastic cover letter sheets so you can write them over and over. Okay, now the little Z only takes up one space. It doesn't take up the top space. Oh no, just the bottom space. And nothing in the grass. And the big, giant Z takes up upper space and lower space. 2 spots. So let's start with the little one first. Start with the cherry, go toward the honey line, and then go down a slide just like I showed you before, or my assistant. And then go down and over. Good job. Keep going. Very nice. And then you can wipe it off and do it as many times as you'd like. And now let's practice the big Z. Start at the cherry, over toward the honey line, down the slide, and over toward the honey line again. Whee! Okay, and then you can wipe it off and do it as many times as you'd like. Good job. Voila! Hi guys! Guess what I have under this black fabric? It starts with Z. It's one of my masterpieces. Okay, you ready? It's a zebra. Z for zucchinis. Hello, everyone. Okay, so I have an example of a Z beside a zinnia flower, of course. I've got a Z for a zigzag. Okay, look at this. Zig, zag. Yes, Z for zigzag. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome. How's it going? Okay, we're gonna do some letter art, my favorite. And you know what letter we're going over. We're going over letter Z, which says Z for, for zinnia. Zinnia flowers are really petally. Okay, you remember Zella the Zenia from our story? She's nice. Hi, Zella. Okay, well maybe I'll draw Zella today. Okay, assistant, get the black marker. All right, we're gonna zoom in so you can see closely. All right, first draw a circle in the middle. Not too big. Okay, now we're gonna draw little loops around it. Keep going. Good job. Now we're gonna start, zoom in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna start in the middle of a petal, and then you're gonna jump over to the middle of another petal. And then if they get too big, you can just use the same petal again. Looking good. Wow, that's a lot of petals. Zinnias have lots of petals. Okay, zoom out. Wrong way. Okay, now we're gonna need a green marker, assistant, and then we're gonna make a zzz in the stem like this one. Okay, so start here, and then go down and go toward the honey line that way. Then down a slide, and then toward the honey line, and then down. Now you can see it. It looks a little crazy, but it's fun. And some leaves. There you go. It's kind of hidden, but you can see our zzz. Cool. All right, let's color it yellow for Zella, but you can color it any color you want because zinnias come in lots of colors. Looking good. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, and then you could put a little happy face, like, maybe like Zenia, she's got some eyes. Maybe give her a mouth if you want. There you go. Zzz for Zenia. Okay, guys, it's time for review time. All right, we'll go over these with the characters, and then we'll have the plain ones. Okay, this is wa. Remember, wa for walrus, like Wendy the walrus. Wa, 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 wa. Yeah. And this is at the end of box. You can hear it at the end. Listen with your ears. Box. And also fox. There's a fox in the box. Okay, so that's x. Here's a ya for yellow. Also yodel, the yak. And then the z for Zenia. Also z for zebra. You can think of lots of things with z. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start slow. Then we get a little faster. Okay, wa, x, ya, z. Okay, a little faster. Wa, x, ya, z. Faster. Wa, x, ya, z. Okay, I'm going to get the plain ones out. Okay, ready? Because this is what you'll see when you read. Okay, wa, x, ya, z. Again, wa, x, ya, z. One more time. Wa, x, ya, z. Jerome! I knew she was going to call that. Ha! Jerome, I'm trying to read. Okay, but Ellie, I got a surprise for you. Okay, Jerome, hang on. I got to put a bookmark in. Okay, I think you're going to like it. Okay, Jerome, what's going on? Close your eyes, Ellie. I gotta go get this. Okay, you can open. Oh, a beautiful white zinnia. Oh, it's beautiful, Jerome. Thank you. You're welcome. Goodbye, guys.